everyone, welcome to our Facebook page. So we are going to take 4 circular dough and then put all of them together, make cut and make 8 such shapes. After this we are going to fold it and press it from the corners and put them in a straight line. Press it using chopsticks. Take another piece of dough and roll it. Now we are going to cut it and divide it into 2 parts, and look, your beautiful flower dough art is ready. So we're going to use the green dough and put it inside the white one and make a ball shape. After this, using scissors, we're going to make multiple cut and make the flower petals look like this. Continue doing this and look, your design is ready. We're going to make corn dough art. You can use yellow color or food color and make this design. Now we're going to roll it and we're making the seeds first. After this, flip the dough and then make a cut. We're going to make the husk. Look how we're doing in this video. Cover them together and using fingers we're going to give it further shape. As you can see how pretty this design is looking. We're going to roll the dough and then we're going to make the surface flat. Make 3 cuts. Now we're going to braid them together, look like this. After doing this, we're going to start rolling it. So we are using the one portion only. Now take another portion and press it using chopsticks. After this, we're going to put the chopstick on both sides and press it, and look, it's ready. Now roll it and make a ring. Cover the flower and look, your beautiful flower dough art is ready. So we are going to use 2 different color of dough, red and white, and make 4 circles. Put both of them together. Now we are going to divide it into 4 parts and press it from the corners. Look, the triangular shape using comb. Now put all of them in a straight line and press it at the center using chopsticks. Roll it and divide it into 2 and you will get these beautiful flowers, and look, it is ready. Let's make this beautiful leaf dough art design. As you can see, we're going to roll the dough and make a circle. Now divide it into 4 parts. After this, we're going to fold it and put it in a straight line. Using chopsticks, we're going to press it at the center and then combine them together by folding all of them. Your beautiful leaf dough art is ready. We're going to roll the dough and make the circle. After this, we're going to divide it like we're doing in this video. Now take a scissor and cut it at the center and make the flower shape. You can put this red date at the center. Now take the comb and make the dotted line on each partition. Cut it again using scissors and make flower. After this, we're going to cut the outermost portion as well and press it like we're doing here. Make the flower petals and look, your dough art is ready. Thank you so much for watching this video.